In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download AutoCAD. We'll walk through the process in a clear, simple way so you can get the software onto your computer without any guesswork. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and what to expect during the download and installation. Start by opening your preferred web browser and heading to autodesk.com. Make sure you're on the official Autodesk website. Look for the secure connection indicator in your browser's address bar. This helps ensure you're downloading authentic software and not a lookalike from an untrusted source. Once you're on the site, navigate to the Products section and choose AutoCAD. This is Autodesk's industry-standard design and drafting software, so you're in the right place. The product page will give you an overview of features, system information, and options for getting the software. Here, select free trial if you want to try AutoCAD before paying for a subscription. The trial is a great way to test performance on your machine and explore features without committing right away. Keep in mind that the trial is time limited and includes the core functionality you need to evaluate the software. It's a good idea to have a stable internet connection for this and to make sure you have enough free disk space, as design applications can be large downloads. Next, download the installer. Your browser may ask if you want to save or run the file. Saving it first is often best if you want a local copy. Otherwise, running it will start the installer right away. After the download finishes, open the installer. Follow the on-screen prompts, agree to the license terms, and use the default installation location unless you have a specific reason to change it. If your operating system asks for permission to make changes, allow it so the installation can proceed. Closing other apps during installation can help it complete more smoothly, and staying plugged in is helpful on laptops. After the installer finishes, that's it, you're done. AutoCAD is now installed and ready to go. You can find it in your Applications or Start menu, and if you opted for the free trial, it will guide you through starting that trial when you first launch. From here, explore the interface, try a few sample drawings, and get a feel for how it performs on your system. If the trial meets your needs, you can always return to the same product page later to move to a paid subscription.